Hello everyone, and welcome to Bari System. In this lesson, we are going to write and understand our first Java program. More importantly, we will break down the structure of a Java program, also known as the program skeleton, and explain each part step by step. We will also discuss some common errors beginners face when writing their first Java program, why those errors happen, and how to fix them. At the end of this video, you will find lab exercises and a mini project available on the Bari System website. The link will be provided in the video description. Let's get started. Java is a class-based programming language. This means that every Java program must be written inside a class. In Java, any code that actually runs must be placed inside a class, and every application has a starting point, known as the main method. When we run a Java program, execution always begins from the main method. Anything written outside the class or outside the main method will not execute. Another important concept is curly brackets. Curly brackets are used in Java to define blocks of code, such as classes and methods. Now, let's look at a real example. Here is our first Java program. Public class hello world, public static void, main System.out.println. Let's explain this program line by line. First line, public class hello world. This line defines a class named hello world. In Java, the class name can be anything you like, as long as it follows valid identifier rules. However, there is one very important rule. The class name must match the file name. So, this program must be saved as helloworld.java. The opening curly bracket marks the beginning of the class body. Curly brackets. Every class in Java opens and closes using curly brackets. Class hello world. The opening bracket can be written on the same line or on the next line. Both are correct, but writing it on the same line is the most common practice. The main method public static void main. This is the main method, which serves as the entry point of a Java program. When we run a Java program, the Java virtual machine looks for this exact method and starts execution from here. The main method also opens and closes using curly brackets. For now, you don't need to fully understand every keyword in this line. Just remember that every Java application must have this method in order to run. Print statement System.out.println. This line prints text to the console. The println method displays the message and then moves the cursor to a new line. This statement executes when the program runs, because it is written inside the main method. Now let's talk about common errors beginners face when writing their first Java program. These errors are very common, and fixing them will save you a lot of time. Error 1. Missing or misplaced curly brackets. If you forget to open or close a curly bracket, the program will not compile. Every opening must have a matching closing. A good habit is to always check that your class and main method are properly closed. Error 2. Class name and file name do not match. If your class name is hello world, but your file name is something else, Java will show an error. Always ensure class name equals file name case sensitive. Error 3. Incorrect main method declaration. The main method must be written exactly like this. Public static void main. Common mistakes include misspelling main, removing static, using the wrong parameter type. Any small change can prevent the program from running. Error 4. Missing semicolons in Java. Most statements must end with a semicolon. If you forget a semicolon, the compiler will report an error. Always check the end of your statements. Error 5. Using smart quotes instead of double quotes sometimes. Text editors automatically replace double quotes with smart quotes. Incorrect. System.out.println. Correct. System.out.println. Always use standard double quotes when writing Java strings. Error 6. Case sensitivity. Java is case sensitive. For example, system is correct, system is incorrect. The same applies to string, main, and class names. Let's look at another example. Public class profile. Public static void main System.out.println. 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 This program prints multiple lines of output. Each println statement executes one after another, in the order they appear. This example shows how we can display formatted information using multiple statements inside the main method. Let's summarize what we learned. Every Java program starts with a class. The class must contain a main method. Program execution begins from the main method. Curly brackets define code blocks. Semicolons and correct spelling are critical. Most beginner errors are small, but important. Understanding this structure is essential before moving on to object-oriented programming concepts. To help you practice, we have prepared lab exercises and a mini project for this lesson. You will find installation and setup tasks, code modification exercises, a mini project to reinforce what you learned. All exercises and the mini project are available on the Bari System website. The link is provided in the video description. Make sure you complete them before moving to the next lesson. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.